So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the 0 point on the wall now that your SCRIBIT is up. Well, first things first, don't worry if the SCRIBIT isn't on perfectly. It's just a rough starting point, and then we're going to calibrate this thing. But what you need to do is get your measuring tape and find the point that says Z. That means the 0 point. We're actually going to be going through the process of the 0 point. Take this circle and put it up on the peg that is the top left corner. So I'm going to do that right now. So what you want to do is make sure that that measuring tape is hanging straight down, and what we're going to do is find the right points to find the 0 point. So I just zoomed in to show you a little closer. Because I'm doing the 2 meter distance on the pegs, what you want to do is use the A1 on the measuring tape and basically get this dot and go across until you get to the A2, and that's the A2 right there. That's what you need to do, and you basically have to try to get it as close as possible to a 90 degree or a perpendicular. So again, the A2 is there, and that connects to A1, and then what you do is you basically just put a little dot right over there. That's your 0 point.